On a story compiled by Ndutamo Kami, as the country gears up for Utamaduni Day, the Ministry of Trade, Industry and Investments has opened an art and exhibition showcase at its Teleposta Towers offices in Nairobi, a move that seeks to integrate local artisans into the broader national trade agenda. Trade Principal Secretary Regina Ombam says the initiative complements the government's drive to diversify the economy by promoting cultural exports and creative entrepreneurship as new sources of income and employment.
There are many things that go to it. The language, the food, the products that you have really speak to your culture in itself. So Kenya is actually moving towards ensuring that our products are competitive, our products are of value, and we are going out of our way to really showcase what Kenya can do. And it's not only in the traditional products that we've been doing, the teas, the coffee, the flowers, but we are moving to even services, looking at our sports, looking at our art, looking at our digital tech people, and really looking at the whole thing of trade, not only in goods, but also in services, and capitalizing on our cultural heritage and our understanding of culture and heritage to really push the trade agenda beyond just goods only.